Hey guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. I share videos related to art and creativity on this channel. So if you love art, do consider subscribing to my channel. And now without wasting any more time, let's get into today's painting video. Okay, so to begin with, I'm using a 300 GSM paper A5 size, two glasses of water, some painting brush, not these many, a few, one or two, gouache colors. You can also use watercolors instead of gouache for this. I'm securing the borders of the paper. It helps in two ways. It secures the paper at one place, the paper does not move, and it also creates a beautiful border, clean border after the tape is removed. A quick trick is, if you want to avoid the paper to be torn off while removing the tape, I do is I just stick the tape 2-3 times on a piece of cloth and then I stick it on the paper. So this way the tape has less stickiness and it comes out clean. Okay, next I am wetting the entire sheet of paper with clear water and then mixing two colors, that is peach and pink, and gently applying it on the paper. The color tends to spread automatically as we have applied water on the sheet. Next, I've mixed a bit of yellow with peach color and then given the strokes as shown in the video. You can see I'm keeping a white spot of paper. I'm not painting it. It is to give the effect of sun. You'll see the reason later what I have done with the white spot. Once done with the base, and to blend the color and make it look smoother, what you do is take a dry paintbrush and you just move the paintbrush from the lighter color to the darker color and you will automatically get a smooth blend. Adding a lighter shade of yellow in the white spot to give it a more brighter look. Coming to the base or the land in the painting, so I am giving a light green shade as the base coat. You have to work with the painting very patiently and you have to wait for the base coat to dry before adding the next coat. Okay, so the upper layer is dried and I'm just adding a pinch of white color in the center for the look of the sun. Next is the tree effect. So here I've mixed a black with water, adding more water and less of black for distant trees. So when the color dries up, it will dry a bit lighter. So that is what we want. We just want shadows of the trees so that they appear to be at far distance. Next are the longer trees. Here the same thing is done, but I have reduced the amount of water mixed with black. So this is the basic trick here. The lesser the water in your color, the darker the color will dry out to be. So for the closer trees you add less of water, and for the trees that you want to show are far away, you add more of water in it. Same goes for the land. So the darker green color is to show that the land is closer, and the lighter green color to show more distant land. This creates the effect or a 3D kind of look. Again, the only thing in this painting is patience. You have to wait for the lower layer of your color to dry before adding another layer. So once the lower layer is dried, you can add a more darker color to it to create the effect of a forest. And here we go. I hope you all like the painting. If you try to make it, do share your work with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. If you like today's painting video, hit the like button below. Also, do suggest what other art videos will you like to see on this channel. Comment your views below, and do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below. To watch more painting videos, you can click over here. To watch other art videos, you can go and click over here, and to subscribe to my channel, which is necessary and must, you go and click over here. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care.